छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? Hello friends, today I will show you how to make electric conductivity tester. So I will start my video. So the first thing you will need is this battery. This is a high quality battery. You can see there are two wires in it, the positive and the negative terminals. So the thing you need is battery. The second thing you need is a buzzer. This is a buzzer which produces sound. There are two wires in this also. See, this is a buzzer. The third thing you need is a wire. This is a wire. You can see. Okay. The fourth thing you need is this. This is a conductivity test and the metal for the conductivity test to happen. So you can take any metal. This is a light for lighting purposes only. There is a filament in it. Okay, and so I will start the making of this. Take the battery first, see, and then put it here. Then take the light. This is the light, you can see. Take the light and connect to the battery like this. Okay, I have to connect this. So first I will connect this to the battery. It is a hard thing to connected. See, it is connected to the battery. And then the second thing you have to do is to connect the battery, connect the light to the buzzer, so that the sound and the light produces simultaneously. Okay. So do like this and connect them both. Okay. Connect them both. Oh no. This is a hard thing, it opens. I told you at first this is a hard thing. Okay, I have done it very hardly. And then connect the wire, external wire here. With this, with the battery, of course, you know that, I think. So now you can see it is made, how easy it is. So now test it out with this. See, now it will work. I am putting the metal here on the wire. See, this light was on and the buzzer was working. So I hope you like the video. Okay.